Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave, and today we have our 2018 Honda Grom 125. Fuel injected, single cylinder 125, 4-speed manual transmission, gorgeous metallic white paint scheme. I love those red calipers. Only 241 miles on this awesome Grom. Price to sell just $32.99. Save about $1,000 over the price of a new one. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.